Here's a convertible to take a look at unique, especially in classics. 1969 Mercury Marquis convertible, and this is one you're not going to see every day. There's no doubt about that. The reason I say that, it's a little over 2,300 of these is all that was built. I believe the records say 2,319. Now, this particular car, original color was light aqua, so it has an E paint code. So still very similar to the original color it would have been produced in 1969. Has had a repaint along the way though. Interior white vinyl, and it does have a 6W trim code, so that is the original interior. It's a two-owner car, and according to the second owner, it is the original interior of this car. Top on this is a white vinyl top, glass rear window. Underneath the hood, powered by a 429 V8. That is paired up with a C6 automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC. I've not had the AC compressor kick on or off or blow cold, FYI. Headlight doors do work when you turn on the headlights. And we'll check it out here in a little bit. Start it up. I'll open those up for you. Wanted to let you take a good look at the front fascia, grille, chrome bumper, get an idea what condition that's in. Paint is very showable. You are going to find a few spots where there's a little touch up. If you can see that, it's kind of hard to get them to show up, but you can see it's got a nice shine to it. If you want to check it out in the still pictures, so you can look at this car from every angle, underside, top side, engine bay, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Clicking a link down below this video in the description is going to take you right there. Of course, you can always call us too, 507-386-1726. Riding on American Racing polished wheels. A little imperfection down here. We can see some touch up right there too. Now, as far as the windows, the side windows I left up. Reason being is the driver's one has a switch that is broken. The consignor has elected to sell the car the way it is. The other power windows do work, and I have had those going up and down. The rear ones may have been just a touch slow, but with a little help and a little patience, they will go up and down. The other one that just want to give you an idea. They do work, so the motors are working, but they may be tight. And like I said, they may go up and down a little slow, may need a little bit of help. I also noticed that with a convertible top, the pump runs and it will push the top along, but it doesn't want to come evenly. So you kind of got to help it along a little bit, keep it even, and it does go up and down. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. A few spots in the corners here, also where there's a little bit of touch up. There's also a convertible cover boot, or a parade boot, if you will. Should take a look at the rear bumper on this Marquis. And you can see the trim work, bright work. It does show its age a little bit in some areas where it's been straightened out, probably when the repaint was done. A little bit of work on it, a little bit of touch-ups there, FYI. And again, you can see all the still pictures, every angle of this car at uniqueclassiccars.com. Clicking the link down below this video in the description is going to take you right there. And you can also see pictures of the top, and we're going to run the top up here at the end of this video. Let you get a good look at it also. I'll finish up the video with the top up so you can see that. And again, original interior according to the previous owner. We'll show some wear up here. All right, I'm going to go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. Listen to that 429. I did have the radio working. The wipers also worked. Hear that 429 fires right up. 65,671 is what the odometer reads. I can't confirm or deny that. Once the car is a certain age, it does not stay with the title. Again, according to the previous owners, that is the original miles. Power top button is right there. Take a look at the dash Appears the car was stored inside. Dash is in nice shape. I did not notice the fuel gauge moving either, by the way. There was some service work that we did to this vehicle as far as the brakes went. This has had the carb rebuilt, so it does idle and run nice. Master cylinder was replaced, and also the rear wheel cylinders, as well as the shoes and hardware, FYI. Listen to that little rumble coming out of that 429. Ooh, sounds good. Alright, let's slip up to the front. I'm going to pause this a second. Let's pop this hood. I want to show you the engine bay, and we'll take a peek at that convertible top after I put it up. Here it is, 429 K-code car. And again, you can see AC, power steering, power brakes. Remember, I've not had that compressor kick on and off, but it appears the components are there. Belt is disconnected from there. Get up on top of it. Smooth running 429 though, no doubt about that. Sounds good. Alright, I'm going to turn off the engine a second. We'll get that top up, let you check that out.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And I almost forgot, I was getting ready to park this vehicle. I wanted to show you the headlights do work. So before I park it quick, they are closed. Let's go ahead and pull the headlight switch on here, which is right there. There you go. So I'll kind of splice that into the full video. Just wanted to show you those headlight doors do work. Top up for you to take a look at here. And remember, I said earlier, pump runs, and the power top does work, but it needs assistance getting all the way up and to the top of the windshield, but it does latch up nice. It is in good shape. Do not see any holes, rips, tears, really much for discoloration or anything. It is a rear glass window, FYI. It'll keep you dry, keep you out of the sun, depending on which one you're going to need when you're driving your convertible. And put the top up on it. Take a look at the front. Seals up nice and tightly. Latches close up nice. And looks good on there. There you go. Drop top you're not going to see every day. 1969 Mercury Marquis convertible. $429 underneath the hood. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.